Welcome back to this video. If you have been importing products from China for a very long time, or you are new to China importation business, but each time you are sourcing product and ship from China, you always use 168A Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see new update that allow you a real-time tracking of all goods you purchase that is actually on transit on 168A Chinese shopping app. This is a new update and it's a great deal update as the case may be. So let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my 168A Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here now to open the app. But mind you, before you can have access to this particular new features, as far as the 168A Chinese shopping app is concerned, is that you need to make sure you update your app to a latest version. If you don't know how to update your app to a latest version, let me quickly walk you through step by step on how you can update your 168A Chinese shopping app to a latest version. For that, what you want to do here is to click on the profile icon right here. They take you right here. Next thing you want to do here is to simply click on the setting icon. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Scroll down until you get to this particular one right here. So you can see the new version right here, 11.72. This is the latest version. So from your home end, if you do not have this particular version of 168A Chinese shopping app, what you need to do is to simply tap here and it will require you to download the latest version of 168A Chinese shopping app. Once you download the latest version, you are good to go and you're going to see the new features of real-time tracking of every goods on transit on 168A Chinese shopping app. However, if you are using 168A Chinese shopping app global version, you need to get the update. You need to get the app update from your Google Play Store or from App Store if you are using iPhone. Okay, after you have successfully download the update and the app has been fully up to date, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go back to the home page right here. So come down below right here, click on home page. So once you click on home page, then from the top right here, you see this particular icon right here. Simply click on that. So this allows you to see all of your goods that is on transit. Then here, you can scroll down right here and see all goods on transit. From here, you can easily get your tracking number without any stress. And for you to get your tracking number, what you need to do is to simply click on here and then it open up. Then from here, you can easily copy and paste your tracking number. However, there is one more feature on the profile dashboard that I will show you right here. So this new update here in profile dashboard has to do with a reminder for supplier shipment. So how do you get that? So I'm going to simply click on this icon right here, me icon. So when you click on me icon, it takes you right here. Now, when you have order that has not been shipped for more than 48 hours, you have this particular reminder update right here. So you can either connect with the supplier to fast track your delivery, or better still, you can go ahead and request for a refund for that particular goods that has not been shipped within 48 hours after you have successfully made your purchase from that particular store on 1688. It's that simple. For more tutorial about 168A shopping app updates and the latest information about 168A Chinese shopping app, consider to click on that subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.